Today we're making a whole pitcher of peach sangria. Let's get started. First we start with some fresh peaches. Remove the skin and pits and slice them into chunks. Add them to a blender with a little bit of water and blend until you've got a nice peach puree. Set that one aside. And then we're going to start with a bottle of white wine. You can use a Pinot Grigio, a Chenin Blanc, a Viognier. If you like it sweeter, maybe a Moscato. And then we just add a little bit of cognac. Cognac adds a bit of booziness, but also some spiced vanilla notes. You could also use brandy. Next comes peach schnapps. I use this in lieu of triple sec. And then we add apple juice. This is unsweetened apple juice, and it just balances the flavors. A little bit of simple syrup will add just the right level of sweetness, and then comes peach puree, and this really amps up the peach flavor of the sangria. Then we add fresh peaches. I use about 2 whole peaches sliced and apples. The apples really soak up the flavor of the sangria. And then Rainier cherries. I did that just so it would have a continuity of color in the peach sangria. Serve over ice and enjoy.